didn't know where
so
you
you're probably like, you got 2 steady right here. You came over, what made you come over 4 or 3?
3.
Even just this right here is better than all that, you know? So keep doing that trigger squeeze and you can get a better group. If they can send you back out, great. And then we can just dial you in pretty much right here. It looks like you just probably need to come maybe 1 or 2.
See, now you can actually reach it?
Yeah.
Yep.
All right, ceasefire, no green, lane 1. Once you got your mask on, 800-meter target.
Push it in. Just like that.
Okay.
There you go. Go down. You gotta be right there. I'm not seeing him.
Start yelling things up. The lights will never come off though. Another thing, once that target starts to come up, especially those really far ones, it takes 3 to 5 seconds for it to actually fully come up. While it's coming up, the target time will not start until the target is all the way up.
You don't have to be screwed on there, brother. Alright, you ready? It's only for when it's like fucking... Alright, go ahead and load.
Anything on windage?
Are we good? Am I good with low? You set mechanical 0? So make your adjustments based off of what you fire here. Single shot. I honestly wouldn't change your... There you go. There you go. Do it again. A little bit. Sorry. Good. Do it again. With the bolt to the rear. Yep, okay. Oh.
All right, I'm reloading. Yep, I'm clear.